Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Today we sing Can You Feel the Love Tonight by Elton John. And I ask you, which movie played this song? Here we go.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wave can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we've got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's led to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
Sing along. Comment the lyrics here. Share this video with your friends. The more you participate, the more opportunities you have. Forever VIPs, we have a meeting here soon. Stay connected. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Dib. See you next class.
There was a place that I lived, and a girl so young and fair.